How to pin conversations on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can pin conversations on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pin conversations on the X or the Twitter app, this is actually a new feature, so make sure that you've updated it and then open the X application over here. Once you launch the Twitter app, if you want to pin a conversation, first come to the inbox tab by tapping the inbox icon from the bottom right of the screen. Over here you will be able to see a list of conversations. If you want to pin something at the very top, you can long press on a certain message that you would like to pin, and in here you'll find the option called pin conversation. So tap on pin conversation here and that conversation will get successfully pinned at the top of your profile. This way you will be able to pin conversations on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.